Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to scan documents on Android. So to scan documents on Android, there are various ways. You can use the Google Drive application or Files application. Both the applications offer built-in scanning features. Alternatively, you can download and use third-party applications like Adobe Scan, Cam Scanner, etc. Here I'm going to teach you the easiest way. So for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Drive. You can see over here Google Drive has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for new. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, etc. Find the option for scan and tap on it. Now you'll have to allow the Google Drive to take pictures and record video. Simply tap on the option while using the app. Now you can see over here you'll be able to take the photo. Over here you'll be able to find the option for manual and auto capture. If you tap on the option manual, you can see over here you'll have to manually scan the document by simply tapping on this icon that you can see right over here. So like this you'll be able to scan. If you tap on the option auto capture, all you have to do is position the document in the frame. After that, the document will automatically be captured. So like this, you'll be able to scan documents on Android. So that is how you scan documents on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.